Okay, showing. Yeah, but I can't sit on it. Hey, Rihanna, it's not riding without wheels. What to do? So fun!
Ariana? What happened, Ariana?
How to ride my new bike without training wheels.
Don't worry, Ariana. I will teach you.
Yay! Let's go!
First rule, helmet.
I have.
Second rule, balance.
Okay, watch me.
Idea.
Huh?
I will show you. Like a surfer.
Like a surfer. Subscribe.
Like a surfer.
Oh yeah, like a surfer. Daddy, Daddy, I have the balance. Look at me.
The third rule, looking straight, no stopping.
Okay, like ballet. 1, 2, 3. I like it. I'm a ballerina and I can do gymnastics. Keep and fit. Okay. Oh yeah.
Well done, Ariana. Let's practice it more.
Daddy, I am ready! Yay! Let's go! 1, 2. She's so good, she can catch up to me! Ariana, you learned how to ride a bike without training wheels too fast.
She's so good. She's so good.
Yes, I did it. I ride my bike. This is my bike. Stop. Stop. The rainbow car. Subscribe to this channel, Adria and Ariana. See you next time. Bye. Yes, I can do it. I'm a racer. I like it. I want a bicycle too. Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, I need a bike.
To ride on. Ah, I have something for you.
Something for me.
Try this.
Oh.
Jump, Aaron, jump. Jump. What? Why?
It's only for jumping, it's not a bicycle.
Okay. Let me think. Oh, I have idea. What about this ride on?
Yes! Wow, unicorn scooters.
Let's ride, Ariana. Go! Go, Ariana, go! Yeah, Ariana, go, go!
Daddy, it's too slow. I want a big one, not a small one slow.
Okay, wait here. Try this.
Sorry, Daddy. It's too big and too fast.
I have to go for a bicycle.
I'm ready for the new bicycle. My
I did it!
I love it. green, and yellow. Hacha!